Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do Betterment after Cap 2 step by step. Start by confirming your current Cap 2 status and any outstanding requirements, then gather all documents needed for submission. Prioritize tasks based on impact and difficulty, and allocate time blocks for focused work. Track progress daily and adjust your plan if new items appear, keeping communications clear with stakeholders throughout the process. Gathering documents is the foundation, so organize everything before you proceed to avoid delays. Create folders for invoices, photographs, and any expert reports, labeling items clearly by date and purpose. Verify signatures and dates on each document and scan high-quality copies for backup. Use a checklist to mark completed items and share a summary with any collaborators so everyone knows what remains outstanding and what is finalized. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future guides. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and planning, and it pairs well with strategic steps like Betterment after Cap 2. I find its clarity useful when budgeting for improvements. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Follow a consistent process to minimize friction and speed approvals. Draft a concise cover letter that outlines the Betterment, references Cap 2, and lists attached documents in order. Use the required submission format and double-check that every item is included before sending. Monitor your inbox and voicemail daily for follow-up requests, and reply promptly with additional details or corrections to avoid unnecessary delays in finalizing the Betterment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.